Whereas all this is going on, the 15% tuition increment is, first of all, very unfair. The modus operandi in which it was passed is flawed, like you've agreed, and we are kindly requesting for intervention, because we do not want Makerere University to become a place only for the wealthy.
So, part of the reason that I resigned was because the process that we were supposed to go through was not completed. And to me, I think because my constituency was not able to get its voice and its input within that report.
But people are supposed to have their opinions, because this is a university. Now, when you suppress people's opinions, you curtail and you turn people unknowingly into rebels. That is why you see that this particular demonstration has actually dragged on.
People who signed student leadership. Now the thing is presented before council, it's adopted. The students get hot. You want to jump out of it. Don't you think it would have been better to consistently stick to the, just a moment, consistently stick to the interests of the students? Would we be having this kind of situation?